So let's talk about a very simple example to get started. These are two dishwashers, and this was one of the easiest ways we could think of to start to describe what energy modeling is. They sort of look different. Maybe somebody prefers white and somebody prefers stainless steel. They're from different companies, but in the end, they do the same thing. And they both clean your dishes. They both clean your dishes just about as well as one another. They both have generally the same features. We're going to call these functionally equivalent or functionally similar. That means that on the basis of all the features that's involved and the performance, they're about an apples-to-apples comparison. Maybe they're the same cost as well. So we need to find some level to make a decision between the two. And one of those ways may be based on their energy consumption. So I'm sure you've seen these. Maybe you've bought appliances that are ENERGY STAR labeled, and you've got one of these laying around somewhere. Can anybody tell me just a piece of information that you might be able to get from these two tags? Anything. Let me read you some of the fine print down here at the bottom that's hard to read. These are the rules, if you will, of this comparison. It says cost range based only on standard capacity models. Estimated operating cost based on X number of wash loads per week, and it's also based on a national average cost of energy. So those are the rules. And again, that's to set up a direct comparison. And what Martha pointed out is really the basis of what we're going to get to with energy modeling. We're not comparing an actual cost to operate either one of these dishwashers for a year. We're comparing the relative cost, one compared against the other. And when we compare a relative energy cost, we see that the one on your left will cost $2 more in that situation than the one on the right. This one has a higher energy cost than that one. And we know that with the parameters given, a fixed cost of energy and a fixed usage per year, that this is an expected return. But we're not saying that in any given year or any given situation, these are the numbers that you'll hit, because there's too many other variables in play for that. Let's go to another example.